Hello. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Owe Mike. At DIY Hop TV, we share with you legit and fun ways to making money online, and we also share crafts and recipes that will help you make money. So today I'll be sharing with you how you can add a thumbnail to your video. How to add a thumbnail to your video. It's quick, it's very easy. If you're new to our channel, I will urge you to tap on the notification button so that whenever I bring money making content like this, you will not miss out. Like this video, and to encourage me to bring more and more contents like this, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel. So to be able to add a thumbnail to your video, you would need two things. You would need a YouTube studio, and you would need a Canva app. YouTube studio and a Canva app. So now let's go to YouTube. I already have the app in my phone. If you do not have it, you can download it from Play Store, and you can also get this YouTube studio from your YouTube account. When you click on your YouTube, and you click on your YouTube, and you click on your photo, your profile photo, you're going to see your YouTube studio at the bottom. But I will not be using that. I would like to use my YouTube studio app. So the first thing we're going to do is we'll click on the YouTube studio. Click on the YouTube studio, and you're going to see I have some videos that do not have thumbnails. So just look for one. I have lots of videos without a thumbnail. Actually, a thumbnail will make your video attractive. Look at this one. Look at this. This has a thumbnail. How to double your capital in 24 hours making this from home. This is a thumbnail. This beautiful picture on my screen. So I'm going to choose another. Okay. I think I'll choose this online gold trading made easy. I'm going to choose this. You can see now this video does not have a thumbnail, so I'm going to click on to add a thumbnail. The first thing I'll do is I'll go to Canva and make a quick design. So this is the video we're going to choose, but first I'll go to Canva and make a quick design that I am going to use. A quick design. Okay, we're here. Okay, I'll just choose anything. Let me go to this YouTube channel art. You can actually choose anything. I want to do a quick one. See, I'm looking for a video that is catchy. Look at this. This looks like something that's related to money. So let's look at that. Clicked on it. Okay, so now I'm going to edit it to what I want. I'm going to edit it to what I want. I'm going to edit it. Click on edit. I'm going to write online gold okay. Let's just stick to online. Then I'll click on this stock. I'll click on this. I'll click on edit. Online gold. Then I'll click on this, and I'll write trading made easy. Online gold trading made easy. Okay, so that's my thumbnail. that I'm going to use. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to download it. It's as simple as that. So I'm done, and I'm going to come here and click on download. It's downloading to my phone. It's going to get saved in my phone. It's downloading. Okay, it's done. So now I'm going to go back. It has been downloaded to my phone now. So now I'm going to go back to my YouTube studio, and I'm going to choose this. I'm going to choose my video, and I'm going to click on, look at this viral. See, that looks like a pen. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to click on that same pen again on this other place. You can see the pen. I'm going to click on it again. Now it's going to tell me download a thumbnail, and it's also going to tell me custom thumbnail. So what I did on Canva is my custom thumbnail. So I'm going to click here to pick my thumbnail. It's as simple as that. And I'm going to say done. After that, I'm going to say save. You can see my thumbnail has now been added to my video. So we can go back to the dashboard and look for that video. You can go back to the dashboard and look for that video. Did you see that? Online trading made easy. The thumbnail has now been added to my video, and it has made my video more and more and more attractive. So thumbnail adds beauty to your video and makes your video catchy. I hope you have found value from this video. If you have, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't also forget to like this video and tap on that notification button so that you'll be getting more and more and more value adding and money making content like this. See you in my next video. Bye.